Today we're going to look at the FACOM tool set. It's a compact version. A French company, they're quite well known and they do all sorts of tools. So I wanted one that was compatible, part of my EDC, and does odd jobs here and there. And I wanted one with a socket set in it, as well as your regular screwdrivers and things. I'm not very good with tools, or what they're called, and all the different types of tools, but the reason this sparked off my interest was I was out and I had a bicycle and I needed a socket to fix something, and I didn't have one on my EDC, which was a Victorinox Swiss Champ, and that only has a flathead screwdriver and Phillips screwdriver. So after a lot of research I came to settle on this particular one, because it has a mix of what I could use. There's actually a few different iterations of this particular tool set. So as you can see, I've got a mixed one. You can actually get one where it's just all sockets, socket heads, and obviously a bit adapter, and this ratchet thing here, if I remember correctly. And on another, I can't remember if this comes with it, but on another one it's just these screw heads, the Allen key style flathead and Phillips screw, and it has the same dimensions, so it's whichever one will suit your needs. And this is the one I settled on because it's got a mix of the two, and of course it's compact and it can be part of my EDC. So this cost me £60. It was on offer, but they can be up to £85 depending where you get them from. So it's roughly 12 centimeters by 5 centimeters, and it's got a bit of a weight to it. It's about, if I can remember correctly, it was 366 grams, and it's the case, you can tell it's quite well made. I mean, this latch is plasticky, so I don't know how long that will last. The rest is plastic as well, and it's got a quick guide to where it has. They actually do a cyclist version of this for cyclists, but that's a bit more pricey. You could just make do with this, I guess. So this is what comes with it. These are obviously the sockets and the screw heads and the bit adapter. And it seems to be quite well made. They have branding on almost all the bits of this tool set, so you don't forget who they are. And I'm not very tool savvy, but this seems, after research, this seems to do just various things that I need. So it's not it seems quite heavy duty for a little for the size it comes as, but if for serious heavy duty work, I don't know if this will be suitable or not. But I just love the way they designed this. There's actually other companies that do similar style of size and options of tools. I think they're called FACOM R1PICO, and oh, there's another one. I think it's a bit cheaper as well. I can't remember now from the top of my head. I apologise. But yeah, this is well, I would recommend getting this. I've played about with it a little. There's different iterations of how you can put them together, which was one of the things I liked about it. And there's so many videos actually on YouTube that show you how to use this particular tool set. And so yeah, you line that up with this white dot here, and then you put it through till you hear a bit of a click. Oops, gosh. Yeah, and then you put whatever tool bit. It's magnetic. It's really strong magnetic as well. So again, it was good quality. I really like the quality of this. And also you put you can put these in, the screw heads in this part. Or I think, yeah, you can put this as well. This is for the socket bits. This bit adapter here. You put it in there. And then this obviously helps you choose which direction you want it to turn in. So obviously this one turns that way, in that direction. If you put that to this side, then it turns the other way. I'm sure a lot of you probably already know this, but this is all new to me. And then you can use it as a T-bar. Oh gosh, let's try this again. Let's push it all the way in, and then obviously on the other end you can put again what you would like from your tool set, and then use it like this to turn things. And you can also attach it here to give it extension, and then again you can attach the bit adapter here and use any of the tools, and then obviously you can angle it. It's 180 degrees. You can lock it into place, and you can turn this as well, again if it's a tight spot or not. So it's very well designed, and it's got good weight to it, so it feels good quality. And it's just to help me with the odd bits of jobs here and there, so it's nothing really heavy duty. There's so many tools out there, so whatever suits your need. But this is a great EDC tool to carry around with you. It's not too big and not too small. As I was saying, there's different iterations of this particular tool set. Same dimensions, but just different combination of tools, and it's whatever suits your need. I would definitely recommend getting this, especially if you building an EDC, and just for odd jobs around the house. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Okay, take care, stay safe, bye.